Hi guys, it is the last maths lesson of the week, and as promised, it is going to be a fun maths Friday. So a couple of little activities for you to do, and then it's going to be on to the online stuff. Hopefully you've all got your logins and things handy for those things. People are really enjoying the Prodigy Maths, which is great. I'm going to post on Class Dojo the week's worth, who's answered the most questions and things like that, and give some dojos out for the top three: gold, silver, and bronze. So, Fun Math Friday, as you can see. Let's have a little look what we've got. So, the first couple of activities you will find in your black hat pack. So the first one is on reflection, and you have to reflect the tree across the mirror line. The mirror line is this purple line in the middle that works as a mirror. And basically what it means is this tree has to be reflected on this side of the mirror line. So for example, I'm not going to do the whole thing, this square here would also be blue because it's like it's looking in a mirror. So whatever's on this side has to be exactly the same as this side. So this one is going to be blue. Okay, and then if you look, this one will be brown because that one's brown, so that one must be brown as well. Then you have to draw the tree so it reflects in this line on this side. Okay, hopefully you'll be able to do that. Do it quite faint to begin with your colours, because otherwise you might make a mistake and it might be hard to rub out. So have a little go at that one. That's a little bit on reflection. It's just a fun little colouring activity, but we will be doing some reflection later in the year. So here's a little teaser of it, I suppose. All right, next up, you might also have seen this sheet in your black hat pack. It is called Geometric Birds. It's thinking about the colourful birds that were found in the black hat itself. And it says, look carefully at the bird below. What different shapes can you see? So first of all, you can label your geometric bird. You can label it with all the different shapes you can see. I can spot a few in there. I'm not going to tell you what they are because that's your job. Okay, most of the bird is made up of triangles, right angled, isosceles, and scalene. They are the different names for triangles. Again, we haven't really looked at that just yet, but we will be doing as the year goes on, maybe through home learning, maybe actually in school, which would be nice. So you can have a little look online at what right angled, isosceles, and scalene triangles look like if you're not sure. Some of you might have already seen some in the past. And then it says, can you see that the long orange shapes on the wings have four sides? They are quadrilaterals. So if a shape's got four sides, it is called a quadrilateral. Have a think, what kind of quadrilaterals do you know? I think you'll know two or three for definite. Okay, and it says there are other quadrilaterals on the bird's face too. So that's the bird. Then it says on this sheet, have a go at creating your own geometric colourful bird made using triangles and quadrilaterals. So what I want you to have a go at on this sheet is drawing your own bird, but you can only use triangles, three sides, and quadrilaterals, four-sided shapes. So have a good look at that bird again. Think about how they've done it. They've only used triangles and quadrilaterals. That's what you need to use for your bird on here. You can't just draw a bird with circle eyes and things like that. You actually have to draw it just using those shapes and then colour it in. And obviously, when there's ever anything that's a bit arty like this is, send me it and I'll try and put them on Class Dojos for us all to have a look at. So that's the first part. Then you guessed it, it's time for some online games and activities. So they're the obvious ones. We've got Prodigy Maths, Times Table Rockstars, and Maths Factor. A few people have been going on these each day anyway, but today's your time to go on them for your maths as well. So you've got your couple of activities here, some reflection, some shape, and then we've got some online games as well. And like I say, I'll try and put on the Prodigy Maths league table on Dojo for you. Last little thing is the Guardians game that you can have a go at. I'll put the link on Class Dojo for that. A few people went on that last week and enjoyed it. So that one is an extra, as well as these three. It's an extra one for you to have a go at. that is it for maths for this week. Next week, we'll be back with some more power maths and some other things to have a go at. We might actually be starting a new topic as well. So that will be good next week. Enjoy the rest of your Friday. Keep working hard, and I will see you all very soon.